Is your sweet tooth craving for some Chinatown sweets and desserts? So let's satisfy your cravings by comparing 2 different sponge cake shops and 2 different ice cream shops.
That is good.
As you're gobbling up all that great stuff, you're gonna enjoy this bonus spot during the end of the video. Let's begin with Battle of the Sponge Cakes!
Just for you.
Starting with Spongies Cafe, which was opened in 2020 by a Mexican named Fernando. And don't be concerned that he's not Chinese. He makes really good sponge cake.
Walking in, it's a nice little bake shop.
Oh, we can sit down here. Cool.
They make this really delicate, delicious sponge cake with different flavors. All pretty much Asian and really good. The original flavor is $1 and the other flavors are $1.25. So tell me, do you think that's a great deal for what you're gonna see?
Too much work?
Yes.
Which one's that one? Take them all out. Take them all out. Did they label them?
This is the pandan. This is green.
Well, this one looks plain. We'll just
Just
guess.
start.
You know what? Because I don't want to be filmed eating it. It's gonna be you.
Just. All right.
Yeah. Give me this.
No, hold on. Pause. Take some stills too.
High maintenance. Yeah. Stills.
Not that bad. All right. First sponge piece.
It's a good sign if it smells really good, and it does. The texture was smooth, not grainy as some cakes can be.
I want you to enjoy whatever. What's that one?
This might be
Your bag.
that's black sesame. This is
So-
the pandan.
This one is, how did I look at the camera?
This has to be black sesame.
You don't give the camera enough time to focus. You just showed it was blurry and that's it.
Black sesame.
You don't want to show the camera. The camera can't see nothing. Like zoom in.
That's not black sesame. That's your ube.
Oh, there's the ube bag. Put it down. Keep eating.
I don't know what the hell that is.
This is the apple cinnamon. The sponge cake is really light. Super light. This looks like the black sesame. You can definitely smell the black sesame. Pandan coconut.
This pandan had a slightly pleasantly sweet vanilla almond grassy flavor.
Pause the video and comment below what you think was my favorite. Now you can unpause. I'm gonna go with the ube is the best. I hope you liked what I just showed you. Now, literally, let's walk across the street like 50 feet and visit Cam Hing, which was founded in 1984. They have a lot more years of baking, so let's see if that makes a difference.
Yeah. Let's go. Go ahead.
As soon as you open up that door, you get hit with that bakery smell. It is fantastic. And I wish there was smell-o-vision. The prices are about the same as Spongies. No different from the original, which is $1, and $1.25 for the rest of the flavors. My guess is that since they're across the street, there's some competition. But maybe not so much. I think they both draw different kinds of customers, and each one will have their favorite. Stay tuned and see who will reign supreme today.
Just eat so we can enjoy afterwards.
Okay. Enjoy. Don't forget to take some stills. Enjoy. Original.
The consistent texture looks spot on for sponge cake. The hints of vanilla and almond was very pleasant and reminded me of my childhood when I would visit Chinatown.
Go fast. Ube. It's not. Oh, look at that. Nice break. Take a shot. Take a still.
It's blurry. Hold on. It's blurry. Hold on. I think that's. Hold on. It looks blurry, but it's fine. It's fine.
Sure.
That's what I
Still
want.
recording? Still recording?
Yeah, still recording.
Much more color.
Yeah, that's what I want to see.
Color, right?
That's what I want to see.
That is. Alright. Black sesame.
Black sesame has the slight bitterness of dark chocolate with peanut buttery hints.
So airy. I like it. Now, today, let's give the win to Cam Hing. You know, I always get attracted by some decent looking food on Instagram or YouTube or Reels, whatever. It just so happens that Taiyaki Ice Cream is next door to Spongies Cafe.
What happened?
What really caught my eye was that cone that's a fish shaped with soft serve ice cream coming out of the top. I was like, okay, that's something I have to have. So let's walk over. Traditional taiyaki is basically a waffle with some filling inside, usually, and fish shape, which really means for good luck. Most of the fillings are like sweet red bean paste, and they were first sold in 1909. Now the modern version is, fast forward, Taiyaki New York City reshaped the mold so that the mouth has an opening so that you could fill ice cream in it.
I'm gonna get number 4.
Alright, number 3 and number 4. Fishy, with matcha ice cream and flavors. What's this? Pretty good, right, Zach? Has matcha powder on it.
Hi, this is Rose with NYC Tours. Can I do 10 number 1?
Alright. I want to try the fish. Yeah, very good. Nice little pastry puff. The takoyaki part. Pastry is really pleasant. Yeah, red bean. Clean that out.
Small bites, small
Oh, I was going with the whole thing.
No! It's small bites, you don't understand.
Last bite. Final bite. Final bite. These a little mochi thingamajigs.
Actually, on this stick is mochi candy.
Now that you've seen this particular cone with ice cream in it, let's go down the street and visit a Chinatown staple. known as the Chinatown Ice Cream Factory. This is like the worst tasting fruit in the world, called durian.
Over on Bayard Street, you'll find an unofficial landmark called the Chinatown Ice Cream Factory. It's a family-run business going on to their second generation, so you can say that ice cream making is in their genes. Before I share with you what I got, I wanted to share an interesting observation I made. Their regular flavors all have unique Asian influences, and their exotic options are the everyday classics that you can get in the supermarket, such as vanilla, chocolate, Rocky Road, and more. What I'm about to show you are not your typical ice cream parlor flavors. You can only get it at New York City's Chinatown Ice Cream Factory, such as taro, durian, and lychee,
All right.
to name a few.
How is it? Surprisingly, this is like the worst tasting fruit, smelling fruit in the world, called durian.
Now, let's dig in and enjoy this adventure.
This fence is terrible.
It tastes pretty good. Did you try it yet? Let me try it, lychee. Yeah. The owner is surprised that we've never been here before.
Me too.
All right, lychee ice cream. Actually, I like the durian better. I like durian better. Come over here. Let me try the taro. Oh, you want to share? You don't want to share?
You want a lick?
Don't want to share. Don't want to get a camera either?
Even said mine's next.
Taro.
That's gonna be your favorite flavor.
Really? This is gonna be? You think this is gonna be my favorite?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. It's so hard. I would say between these two, if I only had to pick one, actually it would be durian.
What?
But this is good too. On this cold, wintry day, we're eating ice cream. Oh, you want it back?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. It's excellent stop. Excellent stop. I'm surprised we've never been here before.
Maybe just like go in the summer.
Last couple times we've been here, we walked by, it was just the line was too long. We didn't bother.
It's just cold here in the winter.
This is really, I like that.
Each flavor was balanced to let each ingredient shine.
This is really good. This is another stop we have to come by. Every time we come. The staples. These two locations are completely different from each other, as you could definitely see, right? I don't want to say that one is less gimmicker or more gimmicker or one is more Instagrammable. However, I do like the flavors that are coming out of the Chinatown Ice Cream Factory. It's something that I would probably order on a consistent basis. Today's winner of the ice cream battle will be the Chinatown Ice Cream Factory. Do you agree with that? Comment below on your thoughts on both of the places if you visited them. I love to read what you have to say. Now, for something that you will probably most definitely walk past is Ling's, which has been in business since 1982.
That looks and smells really good. I still can't believe I've walked past this place so many times. There we go. Adding some M&Ms. looks fairly easy to break up. Add some of that honey.
This spice is cute.
Now for the coconut flakes. All right, now let's take it home.
I'm filming. Well, there's no fork here. You said there was a fork in here, right? I don't see no toothpick. Oh, here it is. I got it. Ah, there we go. There we go. Ling's Fresh Made Sweet Mini Cakes. The cart, actually, we found it over on Canal Street, of course, but between Baxter and Mulberry, where it was. It's not in the same location that that Google Maps had. So if you're walking down Canal Street, it's on Canal Street. Just keep that in mind. So Ling's Fresh Made Sweet Mini Cakes. We got the honey and coconut. Nice and fresh, nice and soft, pillowy. Well, you gotta smell the coconut flakes on it. There we go. Cheers. It's very spongy. Reminds me of the spongy cake that we had before. Not overly too sweet. A little texture from the coconut flakes. This is $3 right here. And you get 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good deal. One of the best deals. I'm filming. You hear some background noise? Next up, click on one of these videos and you tell me what you want to explore in New York City next.